Here's the 73 Mustang. We gotta pull all the plugs out of it. So we gotta pull all the plugs out of this, regap them. We're putting that HEI. So I bought this from a dealer in Ohio that said it ran. They put everything new in the ignition. The cap and rotor was not lining up, so it wouldn't spark from there. First of all, they somehow burnt the first coil up. It looked like a new one. They burnt that thing up. And then the cap and rotor were not matching up, so it wouldn't get the spark. We finally got spark from the coil. We put the new one in. We were getting signal. We got that going good, and then we had no spark at the plug wires, so we had to obviously do that too, check. But I just bought an HEI one from Amazon that's crazy cheap. I paid I think $89 for the HEI plug wires and a whole HEI coil right there. So we're gonna put the new plug wires so they're right, and we got to regap the spark plugs because they're you know, HEI, a lot more firepower there. It's from 12K in voltage to I think this one's 60,000, so pretty big difference. So we're gonna put a little bigger gap in them, and this thing should run a lot better. I sometimes just like taking the points out if it's not like a, you know, perfectly classic, you know, everything matching, you know, car, to just take the points and condenser out of it and make it to be a little more reliable for people. So, but this should, we only got 2 more plugs left. Usually I'm at the desk more, but the guys are busy in the shop. It's a beautiful day and I'm outside working on this. So this one should be running. Hopefully there'll be a video of this running tomorrow. I put this back together and we're all good, all right? So, Charlestown Classics. This is Dave Zaprev at Charlestown Classics. If you guys have any questions, and this is on the 73 Mustang. It's a really nice car, actually. 351 Cleveland. Power top is new. The interior is beautiful. No rust underneath. Paint is, you know, not a 100-point show car, but it's a really nice driver car that is going to be super reliable. When we get done, we'll make it reliable. And it is an air conditioning car. You do not see that too much with the convertibles. So remember, if you got any questions, 630-443-4582. If you guys have subscribed, please subscribe and like right now so we can get our page going here. We really want to get that moving. It's kind of cool to be on our subscribe list because if you do get cars, we do show them on here before they're actually listed. So if you see a car that you like, that's the best way to get it.